Hey guys, it's Judy from Figure Savers, and if you are in maintenance, this is maintenance only, I have a great recipe for you, a cheesy biscuit, and we're going to make that. Please do not eat this if you're on phase 1, 2, or 3, and don't tell me I said you could have it, because you cannot, but you can have it in maintenance. So these are my ingredients that I need. I need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 eggs, some salt. I need a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a cup of almond flour, and a cup of shredded cheese. Now I used 4 cheese, Mexican cheese. You can use any kind of cheddar you like. All right, so first thing you should actually do is heat up your air fryer. So these are made in an air fryer, amazingly enough. But we want to heat it up a little bit, so I'm going to put it on temperature 400, and just for a couple of minutes, because I want it heated before we start. So I'll put it on 3 minutes because that's probably about how long it'll take. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of butter. I have my grass-fed butter here, and we're going to put that in the microwave. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I might have a little bit more sour cream than I should. And I'm going to stir that up. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I might have a little bit more sour cream than I should. And I'm going to stir that up. Next, I'm going to add 2 large eggs to our butter and sour cream. Woohoo! All right. And then I should probably have a fork for this, but I'm going to mix it up. Can you see that? Excellent. All right. This is nice and whipped up here. And so the next thing I'm going to add is 1 cup of almond flour. I get this kind of almond flour. I actually get it from Costco. I think it's a pretty good brand. I like it. Anyway, 1 cup of almond flour. We're going to add 1/2 a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Boom. Got it. All right, we're going to stir that up a little bit. All right, last thing we're going to add is 1 cup of cheddar cheese. So I have a mixture of cheeses here. I am going to get a fork for this. Stir that up. All right. Okay, I'm going to fold it in a little bit better, make sure it's all incorporated. You can see it's pretty wet. It's not like really, really dry, but oh, it looks scrumptious already. All right, good. So now our air fryer is heated up. And so what I did was I took a piece of parchment paper, okay, and I cut it in a circle because my air fryer is not hot. So I'm going to start it over. Oh, I didn't start it earlier. All right, cool. So our Ninja air fryer is done heating up. I just want to heat it up a little bit before I put it in. Now it is hot. I can feel it. I'm going to put this parchment paper in here. So be careful because it's hot. And then I'm going to take this ice cream scoop. If you have a cookie scoop, you could use that too. And I'm just going to like put it in there. Can you see that? I'm just going to put 4 of those in there, like so. You could even add a little Old Bay to this, or maybe some Italian seasoning, something like that. Maybe some taco seasoning, that might be really good too. All right, so there it is. I'm going to put it back in here, turn it on. I'm going to put it on 400. I'm going to put it in here for 5 minutes. Oops. 5. Start. Got it. This is so exciting! Are you ready? Can you see? Can you see in here? Holy moly, Batman! Look at those muffins, biscuits, buns, whatever you want to call them. I love it. No grain, no sugar. All right, let's take them out of there. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, we're going to take these out, and we're actually going to do it again because I have this batch, but we actually are going to try adding a little garlic powder, just a little bit, because we don't have that much left, much of the batter left, and a little bit of Italian seasoning, just to check it out, see what it will taste like. So let's stir that up. Give it a good stir-a-rooney. Awesome. I love it. Love it. All right, let's do it. Let's make these bad boys. These maybe I'll make a little smaller. Okay. That's going to be a little bigger. That one. And this one's going to be a little tiny top. Let's get it all out of there. No waste. No waste. Okay. All right. How about that? One more time. You ready, guys? Temperature. 400. Time. 5 minutes. Oops. Start. So our Italian ones are ready. You ready? Here they are. Oh, those are a little bit, I think I could have kept them in a little less time, but they still look yummy. Look at that. Okay. Awesome. We've got a whole plate of little cheesy biscuits here. Okay. Taste test time. Yay. Camera lady gets to taste it too. Which one do you want? You want one with the...
Those might be pretty hot still.
Yeah, they're pretty hot.
Let's try one of the first ones.
Oh, that's one with the... Okay, you break it, and I'll eat some of yours. Whoa. No, it's hard to see, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, can you see that? Look how yummy that looks. Mm. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Really good?
Tastes like cheesy bread.
Mmm. Mmm. Me like. So good. Okay. Awesome. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to our channel. Click that little button below. So good. Click the little bell and you'll get a notification every time we post a new video. See you next time.